Hello students, in this video we are going to learn a new topic, that is group discussion. This is the last chapter of our writing skill, third section from our 12th standard textbook. What is group discussion? Any subject is discussed among the group members. A group is given a particular topic and all members express their opinions, views on that topic. This topic is given to the group and every member of the group is expected to express his or her opinion. So group discussion is very important. Let us see that topic in detail. It is a formal discussion conducted on a topic among a group of 10 to 12 participants. 10 to 12 बच्चों को या पार्टिसिपेंट्स को एक टॉपिक दिया जाता है और वो टॉपिक पर सभी लोग डिस्कशन करते हैं. इसको ग्रुप डिस्कशन बोलते हैं. Participants analyze the topic from their perspective angles and present their views and opinions. Here the interviewer does not disturb the participants. A group is given full freedom to discuss all kinds of topics or points related to the topic given. The group is given a topic. Topic त्या ग्रुपला दिला जातो. टाइम इज गिवन फॉर द कंटेम्पलेशन. त्याच्यावर मनन चिंतन करण्यासाठी विशिष्ट वेळ दिला जातो. and the discussion is for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes are given and within that period whole group has to discuss about that subject. Experts listen to the members and evaluate them. ग्रुपमध्ये जेव्हा टॉपिक दिला जातो त्या ग्रुपमधील कोण कोण व्यक्ती कसा सहभाग घेत आहे, कसं इनिशिएटिव्ह करतायत आणि कशा पद्धतीने त्यांचं मत मांडतात. दिस इज टेस्टेड सिक्रेटली और सेपरेटली बाय द इव्हॅल्युएशन मेंबर्स. फॅक्च्युअल, फॉर एक्झाम्पल प्लास्टिक शुड बी बॅन्ड. such type of topic is given. It is based on fact. प्लास्टिक शुड बी बैन. ये टॉपिक दिया जाता है. वो टॉपिक पर ग्रुप ने डिस्कशन करना है. समटाइम्स सोशल और पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज आर आल्सो गिवन फॉर डिस्कशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल moral policing or abstract subjects are also given. For example, conscience, सत्सत विवेक बुद्धि. Case study based topics are also given. For example, a group discusses a case study and analyzes it or offers solution. Difficult problem or related topic is given to the group. The group analyzes the topic and suggests some solutions or steps to overcome the problems. One of the effective interactive methods of classroom learning, the group discussion is very, very effective and interactive method of classroom learning. It is used to select candidates for different courses or jobs by employers. मित्रांनो, कधी कधी एखाद्या ठिकाणी अनेक लोकांची निवड करायची असते आणि ती अत्यंत महत्त्वाची असते. पटकन निर्णय घ्यायचा आहे. तुमचं डिसिजन टेकिंग अबिलिटी टेस्ट करायची असेल त्यावेळेला असं ग्रुप डिस्कशन केलं जातं. अँड कॅन्डिडेट्स आर सिलेक्टेड बाय गिविंग सम टॉपिक्स अँड ऑब्झर्विंग द पॉइंट्स एक्सप्रेस्ड बाय द ग्रुप मेंबर्स. It is used to identify certain skill required for a particular course or job. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, किसी जॉब के लिए क्विक डिसीजन लेना है. जैसे इमरजेंसी या फ्लड सिचुएशन आती है, बाढ़ आता है और कलेक्टर की इंटरव्यू चालू है, कलेक्टर का सिलेक्शन चालू है, उस टाइम डिसीजन मेकिंग, क्विक डिसीजन पावर इज टेस्टेड। ऐसे वक्त पर ये ग्रुप डिस्कशन बहुत ही इफेक्टिव होता है। नॉलेज, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, ability to work, coming to conclusions and solutions etc. are tested. या ग्रुप डिस्कशन मध्ये त्या कॅन्डिडेटचं नॉलेज कसं आहे, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल कसं आहे, वेदर ही और शी इज एबल टू कम्युनिकेट विथ अदर्स इफेक्टिवली, हिज अबिलिटी टू वर्क, हिज अबिलिटी टू कमिंग टू कन्क्लुजन्स, बरोबर त्याला निष्कर्षापर्यंत येता येतं का, अँड वेदर ही इज एबल टू प्रोव्हाइड सोल्युशन टू द प्रॉब्लेम. सच ए टाइप ऑफ skills are tested in group discussion. Then listening to participants, responding to their ideas or take them forward are tested. Suppose you are taking part in the group discussion, anyone is expressing his or her opinion, that time whether you are able to listen to other participants, this is also tested. म्हणजे तुमच्याकडे इतर लोकांना ऐकून घेण्याची, इतर लोकांच्या म्हणण्याकडे लक्ष देण्याची ability आहे का, this is ability is also tested. What is the language of group discussion? Of course, group discussion is given on any language, any topic, and candidates are given freedom to select their particular language. If the language is fixed or given by the arrangers or evaluators, then participants have to use that language particularly. Expressing opinions, for example, अगर ग्रुप डिस्कशन में खुद का ओपिनियन एक्सप्रेस कर रहे थे, आप फ्रेजेस कैसे यूज करेंगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई बिलीव दैट सच एंड सच थिंग इज राइट और नॉट. आई थिंक, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप खुद का ओपिनियन उसको एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं, बोले आई थिंक दिस पॉइंट इज प्रॉपर एंड दिस इज नॉट प्रॉपर. आई थिंक the solution to this problem is such and such. Then could I make a point please? जैसा कोई बोल रहा है, ग्रुप डिस्कशन में डिस्कशन चल रहा है और आपको कुछ बोलना है, तो उस टाइम आप बोल सकते हैं could I make a point please? So these are expressing opinions. In my opinion, अगर आप बोलते मुझे ऐसा लगता है, in my opinion the problem can be handled by this way. It seems to me. So please take down all these phrases. These expressions or initiative phrases, beginning expressions are very, very important when you take part in group discussion. Expressing agreement, अगर किसी ने कुछ point present कर दिया, उससे आप सहमत है, agree है, तो उस टाइम कैसे expression यूज करने? For example, absolutely. This is right. You are right, sir. Then I fully agree with you. अगर आपको disagreement करना है, if you do not agree with the opinion or points expressed by other participant, that time you should use I am afraid I don't agree with what you have said. I think it is not correct. I don't believe it. I don't think it is right. Next is, I am sorry, but I see it, such a type of phrase you can use. I think, I am sorry, but I see it is a little difficult. I can see your point, but again, there is a problem. Means you are expressing your disagreement with that person. I respect your point of view, but there is also another point or other solution to this problem. You can express your opinion. You can say, I respect your opinion or point of view, but I am sorry, I can't go along with you on, etc., etc. Then suggestions also. Sometimes you want to suggest some ideas or points in a group. That time following expressions are used. And they are, I think we should think about this topic also, this point also. Let's have another discussion. Let's have another point of view. Why don't we leave this out? Why don't you accept this out? Etc. Couldn't we agree with it? Couldn't we do that? Suggesting you. Don't we think we could? Etc. अशा प्रकारच्या फ्रेजेस तुम्ही सजेशन करायचं असेल ग्रुप डिस्कशन मध्ये त्यावेळेला तुम्ही त्या वापरू शकतात. Asking for opinions. Suppose you are asking opinion of other group members. That time you should use such a phrases. What is your opinion on? What do you think so? What do you feel about? I wonder, what do you think about? I would like to know your stand on this topic. Such a type of expressions can be used in group discussion while asking for opinions of other members. Language of group discussion. Yes. Suppose you want to interrupt other people, other members. You should say, I am sorry. Whatever you have said is correct, but also this point is also acceptable. I am sorry to interrupt, but such type of expression can be used. Excuse me, could I add something please? That's true. Sorry, but किसी ने आपको interrupt किया. How to handle interruption is also important, and that time you should use just a moment please. आप बोल रहे, if you are just expressing or putting your point forward, but in between somebody interrupts you, that time you should say, yes, just a moment please, wait, hold on, wait a moment. Could I finish what I am saying? मतलब आप बोल रहे हैं और दूसरा कोई इंटरप्ट कर रहा है, आपको डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है, बीच में बोलने का प्रयास कर रहा है. आप बोले, प्लीज could I finish what I am saying? If you want, just let me finish. Could you wait for a minute please? Such a type of expressions should be used in group discussion. Then conclusion. How to conclude group discussion? To summarize or to conclude, we can conclude by वगैरह phrases आप use कर सकते हैं. Let's run quickly through the main ideas before concluding the discussion. Thanks for watching. I hope you have understood the topic. So group discussion is very, very important. It is effective ways of communication, and 100% when you face an interview and many candidates are called for interview, that time group discussion is arranged for the selection of particular skills by the candidates. So please study all these points by heart. Take down all these points in your notebook, and if you have not understood, watch this video again and again. Please like this video, subscribe my channel so that you will get new notifications. Till then,